And welcome back. I'll be showing you all the shortcuts on Sublime Text 3. Let's go. I've been using Sublime Text for a while now. So I know, first of all, Ctrl X. This cuts the whole line of code. That means a whole long line of code not needed. You can use Ctrl X to just cut out that part of the work. Basically for text editing. So you have the next one, which is Ctrl Shift Enter. This creates a space before the next line. So Ctrl Shift Enter does that. And we have Ctrl Shift arrow up. This moves a whole line of text up, and Ctrl Shift down moves a whole line of text down. Next here we have the Ctrl L. This selects a particular set of line, and repeatedly pressed selects the next line and the following ones. That is what Ctrl L does. So you can use that to select multiples of line following themselves. So we have the Ctrl D. This selects text with the same alphabet. So this selects all the A's on our working space. We have the Ctrl K. When pressed twice, also delete a set of lines. So when you press Ctrl K twice, delete a set of lines of code. So we have the the brackets, they indent and unindent. So the one indent and the other unindent. Then the Ctrl Shift D duplicates a set of line of code. You can see that. So that will be easy for you to create like list. So we have the Ctrl J. This joins a line of text together. So that does that. Ctrl J, that joins a line of text together. Then we have the Alt//. This helps you add comment to your work. So most of us are using comment in our works. So Alt-I easily helps you add comment. So that's a shortcut for adding comment to your work. The same way we have the Alt/stop. So this helps you automatically close the tags. So div tag closes the div tag, the head tag closes the head tag. So Alt/stop closes that tag. Sorry. Then also we have the Shift Ctrl A. So this selects the whole body of text, just like our normal Ctrl A does. But here we use Shift Ctrl A to select the whole body of text. Space into 2 by Shift Alt 2, 3 by Shift Alt 3, 4 Shift Alt 4, and also grid form Shift Alt 5. So you can split your work into 5 workspace, which makes your work very easier to work on each page. JavaScript one side, CSS one side. That way you work faster. So also with Shift Ctrl 2, we can transfer our work from one workspace to another by using the number of the workspace. So Shift Ctrl 2 has moved this work now to another workspace, which is on my work part 2. So you can move your text, your work from one work part to another using the Shift Ctrl number of the workspace. So we have the text manipulation now. So we can change our text to uppercase and lowercase. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and enjoy the other days.